तो फ्रेंड्स ये है पार्ट 2 जिसके अंदर अपन बात करेंगे 51 से 100 तक के क्वेश्चन। तो पार्ट 1 में अपन ने बात करे थे 1 से 50 तक क्वेश्चन। तो फ्रेंड्स वीडियो को पूरा देखना, अगर आपको कोई सुझाव हो तो कमेंट करके हमें ज़रूर बता देना। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हेन टीचिंग द केयर गिवर ऑफ ए पेशेंट हु हैज़ डिमेंशिया ऑफ द अल्जाइमर टाइप, ए नर्स शुड स्ट्रेस द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ increased stimuli, predictable environment, restricted activities, independent decision making. The right answer is B, predictable environment. Which of the following describe the cognitive trait of depression? Hopelessness, sleeplessness, worthlessness, thoughtlessness, worthlessness, sleeplessness, hopelessness, worthlessness, thoughtlessness, hopelessness, worthlessness, helplessness. तो राइट आंसर इसमें होगा डी। A 65-year-old patient with pneumonia is receiving geramycin, is known as gentamicin. It would be most important for a nurse to monitor which of the following laboratory values is this patient: hemoglobin and hematocrit, blood urea, nitrogen, creatinine, platelet count and clotting time, sodium and potassium. Right answer is B, blood urea, nitrogen, creatinine. Gentamicin cause renal toxicity and decrease creatinine clearance. A man is admitted to the telemetry unit for evaluation of complaint of chest pain. 8 hours after admission, the patient goes into ventricular fibrillation. The physician defibrillates the patient. The nurse understands that the purpose of defibrillator is to increase cardiac contractility and cardiac output, cause asystole so the normal pacemaker can recapture, reduce cardiac ischemia and acidosis, provide energy for deplete myocardial cells. Right answer is B, cause asystole so the normal pacemaker can recapture. A perception that occurs when a sensory stimulus is present but it is incorrectly perceived and misinterpreted is known as illusion, imaginary perception with stimulus. What is the age limit approved in COTPA bill for the sale of tobacco product and cigarette in approved packing? तो राइट आंसर इसमें होगा 18 ईयर. A nurse is giving instruction to a client receiving lithium citrate. The nurse tells the client to do which of the following is to prevent lithium toxicity: avoid becoming dehydrated during exercise, instruct the client to change position slowly, restrict salt intake in the diet, limit fluid intake. The right answer is A, avoid becoming dehydrated during exercise. DOTS stand for direct observation treatment short course. Which of the following is responsible for the spread of dengue? डेंगू का है एडिस मॉस्किटो. Which of the following is the true about the aim of sustainable development goal? Cut poverty by half of 2030, reduce poverty by 75% of 2030, and poverty in all its form everywhere, help each nation make progress on reducing poverty. Right answer is C. What is the term used for normal respiratory rhythm and depth in a patient? Eupnea, apnea, bradycardia or tachypnea? Right answer is A. Eupnea is the normal, apnea is the absence of, and brady कम और tachy ज़्यादा. Alarm resistance and exhaustion are exceptions related to health belief model, trans theoretical model, health promotion model or general adaptation model. Right answer is D, general adaptation model. A client is in the late active phase of labor. Suddenly she tells the nurse she feels weak and dizzy. The nurse notes that the drop in maternal BP and late declaration of fetal heart rate, the initial action the nurse should to be increase the IV drip rate and notify the provider, turn the client on side and administer oxygen, assess for cord prolapse and vaginal bleeding, prepare for immediate delivery. The right answer is C, assess for cord prolapse and or vaginal bleeding. During which war did the United States ask for Florence Nightingale assistance in setting up military hospital? A. Crimean War, B. World War I, C. World War II, and D. Civil War. The right answer is A. Crimean War. Birth rate is live birth upon 1000 mid-year population. As per latest census, sex ratio of Chandigarh is reported to be present है B, right answer 818. This step of the nursing process include the symptomatic collection of all subjective and objective data about the client, in which the nurse focus holistically on the client physical, psychological, emotional, socio-cultural and spiritual aspect. Right answer is A, assessment. There are a number of risk factors associated with coronary artery disease. Which of the following is the modifiable risk factor? Obesity, hereditary, gender, एज. एज को चेंज नहीं कर सकते, जेंडर को चेंज नहीं कर सकते, और जो हेरिडिटरी है जन्मजात है उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते, बट ओबेसिटी को चेंज कर सकते हैं. When administering single rescue adult CPR, what is the breath to compression ratio? 2 breath every 30 compression, 1 breath every 30 compression, 1 breath every 15 compression, 2 breath every 5 compression. The right answer is A, 2 breath every 30 compression. 30:2. राष्ट्रीय बाल स्वास्थ्य कार्यक्रम RBSK is a new initiative aiming at early identification and early intervention for children from birth to 18 years to cover 4 Ds wise: defect at birth, deficiency disease, development delay including disability. राइट आंसर इज ए. अब बात करते हैं पार्ट 2 की. पार्ट 2 के अंदर 30 क्वेश्चन है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर द करेक्ट टेक्निक वाइल चेकिंग द ब्लड प्रेशर ऑफ ए पेशेंट? तो इसमें सीधे राइट आंसर चलते हैं 1 and 2. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्शन शुड द नर्स टेक टू यूज ए वाइड बेस सपोर्ट व्हेन असिस्टिंग a client to get up in a chair? Right answer is B, face the client, bend knee and place hand on client's forearm and lift. During an arteriogram, the patient suddenly say, I am feeling really hot. What is the best response? The feeling of warmth is normal. When the dye is injected, it will be last up to 20 seconds. A nurse is receive report on 4 client admitted to the emergency room. Who should the assess first? फर्स्ट असेस करेगा इसमें जो, अब इसमें ऑप्शन देखते हैं. क्लाइंट विथ चेरी रेड स्किन who has been waiting 15 minutes. Client with a blood pressure of 180/76 on 2 liters of oxygen via nasal cannula. Client vomiting from a heroin overdose. Client with asthma receiving treatment for respiratory therapy. तो इसमें फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी किसको देंगे? ऑप्शन सी को, क्लाइंट वोमिटिंग फ्रॉम ए हीरोइन ओवरडोज. अब इसमें है डी, इसके अंदर अस्थमा है और ये ट्रीटमेंट इसका चल रहा है रेस्पिरेटरी थेरेपी, तो इसको ऑलरेडी चल रही है, तो अभी इसको इतनी इमीडिएट ज़रूरत नहीं है. पेशेंट है जिसको बीपी है 180/76, तो और इसको ऑक्सीजन चल रहा है, तो इसको भी अभी इतना इमरजेंसी नहीं है क्योंकि बीपी इतना ज़्यादा भी नहीं है. बट है हाइपरटेंशन है, क्योंकि इसका ऑक्सीजन चल रहा है, तो प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन चल रहा है इसका। क्लाइंट विथ चेरी रेड स्किन वो हैज़ बीन वेटिंग 15 मिनट, तो इसका क्या है कि एलर्जी हो गई है और 15 मिनट से वेट कर रहा है, कुछ ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ है। और मेन क्या है कि पेशेंट है हेरोइन लेके आया, ओवरडोज है, तो इसको क्या है कि एंटीडोट देना ज़रूरी है और गैस्ट्रिक लवाज करना बहुत ही कंपलसरी है, तो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी इसको देंगे। द हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइड इज केयरिंग फॉर ए पेशेंट ऑन ए वेंटिलेटर with an endotracheal tube in place. What assessment data indicate the tube has migrated too far down the trachea? Right answer is A. Decreased breath sound on the left side of the chest. The doctor ordered Zofran 8 mg per oral TID. The pharmacy sent a 100 ml bottle labeled 4 mg per teaspoon. How many ml should be given for each dose? ऑप्शन है 2 ml, 8 ml, 5 ml और 10 ml। तो इसमें करना क्या है कि 8 mg पर ओरल 3 टाइम ए डे, दिन में 3 बार 8 mg पेशेंट को देनी है। लेकिन फार्मेसी वाला अपने पास सेंड कर रहा है 100 ml बोतल है, और 100 ml जो बोतल है उसके अंदर जो लेबल है उसमें लिखा हुआ है 4 mg पर टीस्पून, तो 1 टीस्पून इज इक्वल टू 5 ml। तो 4 mg है वो 5 ml के अंदर है, आपने को देना है 8 mg, तो सिंपल है 5 ml के अंदर 4 mg है तो 10 ml दे दो, जैसे 8 mg हो जाएगा। सिंपल सा है, अगर ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हो D अपॉन ए इंटू क्यू। डिजायर डोज हो गई 8 अपॉन अवेलेबल हो गई 4 और इंटू हो गया 5 ml। तो 4 एकम 4, 4 दूनी 8, 2 से कट जाएगा ऊपर, ऊपर 2 गुणा में 5, तो 5 दूनी 10 ml इसमें आ जाएगा। सिंपल सा है ये, बस अपने को ध्यान कहाँ देना है, टी स्पून पे। नेक्स्ट, ए पेशेंट हु हैज़ एक्सपीरियंस ए स्ट्रोक इज बीइंग monitored during the acute management phase. The clinician note that the patient intracranial pressure is 30 mmHg. Which of the following intervention should be taken first? 30 mmHg ICP इंक्रीज हो गया। रेज द हेड ऑफ द बेड इज 30 डिग्री, तो उसका क्या कर देंगे, हेड को एलिवेट कर देंगे पेशेंट की। ए पेशेंट विद ए हिस्ट्री ऑफ एट्रियल फिब्रिलेशन इज शेड्यूल फॉर ए लेफ्ट हेमी आर्थ्रोप्लास्टी एट 9 AM. द हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल इज एडमिनिस्ट्रिंग 8 AM medication. Which of the medication order should the nurse to be considered about? Opioid analgesic intravenously, low molecular weight heparin anticoagulant subcutaneously, beta blocker orally, cephalosporin antibiotic intravenously. Answer B, low molecular weight heparin anticoagulant subcutaneously. The nurse is assessing a doctor with the removal of central venous catheter. To prevent complication, the patient should be instructed to perform the Adson's maneuver while removing catheter. Perform the Valsalva maneuver as the catheter is pulled. Right answer is B. During an assessment of a patient abdomen, a pulsating abdominal mass is noted by the nurse. Which of the following should be the nurse next action? Ask the patient to perform Valsalva maneuver, obtain an order for a bladder scan, assess femoral pulse, measure the abdominal circumference. The right answer is C, assess the femoral pulse. When examining a patient with abdominal pain, the nurse is in charge should assess any quadrant first, the symptomatic quadrant first, the symptomatic quadrant last, the symptomatic quadrant either second और third. एब्डोमिनल पेन हो रहा है तो सिम्टोमेटिक है, उसको तो लास्ट में देख लो, क्या पता उसके अलावा अगर और हो रहा है तो पहले उसको असेस करो। तो सिम्टोमेटिक को क्या करेंगे, लास्ट के अंदर। द नर्स इज केयरिंग फॉर ए पेशेंट विथ सर्वाइकल कैंसर. द नर्स नोट दैट द सर्वाइकल इम्प्लांट हैज़ बिकम डिसलॉक्ड. Which of the following actions should the nurse take first? Stay with the patient and contact radiology. Wrap the implant in a blanket and place it behind the lead shield. Obtain a dosimeter reading on the patient and report it to the physician. Pick up the implant with long handle forceps and place it in a lead container. The right answer is D. A 68-year-old woman diagnosed with thrombocytopenia due to acute lymphocytic leukemia is admitted to the hospital. The nurse should assign the patient to a private room so she will not infect her other patients and healthcare worker. To private room so she will not be infected by other patient and healthcare worker. To a semi-private room so she will have stimulation during her hospitalization. To a semi-private room so she will have the opportunity to express her feeling about her illness. Right answer is B. To private room so she will not be infected by other patient and healthcare worker. Which nursing action is essential when providing continuous enteral feeding? Elevate the head of the bed, positioning the patient on left side, warming the formula before administering it, hanging the formula for 8 hours in the beginning of morning shift. Right answer is A. Elevating the head of the bed. Which of the following is the correct formula for the calculating a person body mass index? Weight in kg upon height in meter square. Which action by the nurse in charge is essential when cleaning the area around a junction pot, parrot, wound drain? Cleaning from the center outward in a circle motion, cleaning from peripheral toward center in circle motion, cleaning briskly around the side from left to right, cleaning briskly around the side from right to left. राइट आंसर इसमें होगा ए, क्लीनिंग फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल आउटवर्ड इन ए सर्कल मोशन. A patient is receiving 3000 ml of 0.9% NaCl IV in 24 hours. Intravenous set deliver 15 drop per milliliter. The nurse should regulate the flow rate so that the patient receive how many drop of fluid per minute? 3000 गुणा 15 अपॉन 24 गुणा 60. 24 को क्या कर देंगे, मिनट के अंदर कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. पर मिनट में पूछा है तो, अगर पर हावर में पूछता तो 24 के 24 रहते. इनको काट पीटने पर आते हैं 33 पॉइंट कुछ. तो नेक्स्ट इसमें कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था, तो 33 पॉइंट कुछ है, तो इसमें ऑप्शन आएगा सी, राइट. नर्स कैन मिनिमाइज एजिटेशन इन ए डिस्टर्ब क्लाइंट बाय इंक्रीजिंग स्टिमुलेशन, लिमिटिंग अननेसेसरी इंटरेक्शन, इंक्रीजिंग एप्रोप्रिएट सेंसरी परसेप्शन, ensuring constant client and staff contact. Right answer is limiting unnecessary interaction. Physical assessment is being performed by a nurse. During the abdominal examination, nurse should perform the 4 physical examination technique in which sequence: auscultation immediately after inspection and then percussion and palpation. Right answer है इसमें. A client has just returned to a nursing unit after a cardiac catheterization performed using the femoral artery. The nurse place the client in which position? इसमें क्या कर देंगे, हेड ऑफ द बेड एलिवेशन कर देंगे 30 डिग्री. ए नर्स अस्कल्टेट द हार्ट ऑफ अन्नू, ए 21-year-old फीमेल. एनी 6 a consultation for dizziness and easy vegetability. During assessment, the nurse identify a mid to late systolic click followed with mid to late systole murmur at the cardiac apex. The murmur get louder when any stand up. Based on these findings, Anu is most likely considered for which of the following cardiac problem? Right answer is B. Mitral valve prolapsed. While doing the tracheal suction of a patient, the suction should be applied only when withdrawal the suction catheter. A nurse give a double dose of acetaminophen to a client who only requires single dose. What, if anything, must be the nurse do? Report the error as soon as possible. क्योंकि उसको डबल डोज दी है तो उसमें पहले अपन को वेट करना है कि उसको कोई ना कोई सिम्टम्स तो उसका जो नहीं आ रहे हैं, टॉक्सिसिटी अगर कोई कोज कर रही है तो पहले अपन उसको नोट करेंगे, देखेंगे. Which of the following is the primary nursing intervention necessary for all patients with a Foley's catheter in Palace? Right answer is D. Maintain the drainage tubing and collection bag below bladder level. After assessing the client, the nurse formulate the following diagnosis. Place them in order of priority. Which of the most important listed first? Constipation, anticipated grieving, ineffective airway clearance, ineffective tissue perfusion. Right answer is D. 3, 4, 1, 2. You come upon an unconscious victim with a palpable pulses. He does not appear to be breathing. You are unable to deliver the first breath. What is the next step? Repeat the head tilt chin lift maneuver and attempt the breathe again. क्योंकि उसके अंदर CPR इसलिए नहीं दे सकते क्योंकि पल्स प्रेजेंट है. A nurse is caring for the client who express active suicidal ideation. Which of the following should be the nurse action? Right answer is A. Engage patient actively in ward activity so that patient does not talk more about suicide. पेशेंट को बिजी रखेंगे तो उसके जो माइंड में जो थॉट है वो नहीं आएंगे सुसाइड वाले. वेयर शुड यू प्लेस द AED पैड ऑन द अडल्ट विक्टिम? अडल्ट विक्टिम के अंदर अगर डबल है तो उसके अंदर जो फर्स्ट आएगी, एक तो आएगी राइट साइड ऑफ द चेस्ट और जो दूसरी होगी वो होगा लेफ्ट साइड, जिस साइड में हर्ट है लेफ्ट साइड में, और वो भी मिड एक्जिला के अंदर. One under the left arm pit and one high on the right side of the chest. A nurse is assessing a pregnant client for the presence of ballotment. To make the determination, the nurse does which of the following? Auscultate for fetal ultrasound, assess the cervix for compressibility, palpate the abdomen for fetal movement, initiate a gentle upward tap on the cervix. Right answer is C. Palpate the abdomen for fetal movement. Last, the nurse is caring for a 10-year-old on admission to the burn unit. One assessment parameter that will indicate that the child has adequate fluid replacement is urinary output of 30 ml per hour, no complaint of thirst, increased hematocrit, good screen trigger around burn. राइट आंसर इज ए. यूरिनरी आउटपुट ऑफ 30 ml पर आवर. तो फ्रेंड्स ये थे पूरे 100 क्वेश्चन. तो आई होप कि आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक करना. अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना, क्योंकि हम ऐसे ही अच्छे अच्छे वीडियो आपके लिए लेके आते रहते हैं जो सबसे पहले आपको मिल जाए. और आपको कोई भी सुझाव हो तो कमेंट करके हमें बता देना, हम आपको उन कमेंट का रिप्लाई ज़रूर देंगे. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, बाय बाय. हमारे साथ बने रहने के लिए.